Hey everyone, welcome to Financify, your go-to channel for all things finance and tech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your Neteller account. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.neteller.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, look at the top of your dashboard. If your account isn't verified, you will see a Verify Now banner or option. Click on it. Alternatively, go to Settings in the menu and select Verification. Choose the type of ID document you want to upload. Neteller usually accepts passport, driver's license, national ID card. Click on Upload Document and follow the on-screen instructions. Take a clear photo or scan of the front and back, if applicable, of your document. Ensure all details are visible and not cropped or blurry. Upload the file and click Submit. If prompted, upload a document as proof of address. Accepted documents include utility bills, bank statements, tax returns. Ensure the document is issued within the last 90 days, clear and legible, showing your name and address. Upload the file and click Submit. Neteller will review your documents, which usually takes 24 to 72 hours. You will receive an email confirmation once your account is verified. And that's it. Your Neteller account is now on its way to being fully verified. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.